Hello Ben and Sophie, I've got a new display for you. It's the dock, but this time we've got a big aircraft carrier, as you can see. It's the Admiral Nimitz, an American aircraft carrier, and you can see that it's got some rescue helicopters because it does some humanitarian work, and then jet fighters. This one has its wings folded up so that it doesn't take up so much room. That's what they do on aircraft carriers. And this jet's ready to take off. In fact, perhaps we could do that now. There's the helicopters. And it comes like Anyway, looking around, we've got the, it's a naval base, so it's used to dealing with naval ships. And the U-129 is due for repairs again, you may remember that. So it needs to be pulled up the slipway and repaired. Here we go. Have a big, probably a big diesel engine pulling up the submarine on a cradle, and then they can get to work on it and do all the repairs and paint it and so on. The rest of the port is much as you remember it. They're loading logs onto a freighter there from the railway. I'll talk about what's happening at the dock in a minute. And of course, this is the 1960s. We've still got steam trains, but it's an American base, and there's some American vehicles here. And you can see the star, that shows it's American. And in fact, they're still using trains to move tanks from place to place. You can see they're loading tanks onto the train there. And then this area, there isn't a passenger station, it's quite commercial. There's the railway workshop, remember the travelling crane, which goes inside if they need to move things from place to place. And the goods building here. This has changed a little bit. I put vents on the roof because all the smoke from the steam engines comes up and they need to let it go, and not much happening there at the moment there. And this is the hospital, and when it gets dark they put the lights on. There we go. And there's an ambulance outside. And I think that's about it, and we'll tell our little story now.